Site. We've been telling you on Citizen Television we're going to be covering the 2022 general election from wall to wall, back to back, from the studios where you are to all 47 counties, from the ground to the air. Welcome to the Sky Team. We'll be visiting what we call a couple of battleground counties. That's Kajiado County, number 034, and Narok County, number 033. Both considered battleground counties, because back in 2013 and 2017, President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga literally split the counties down the middle. And that's what it looks like this time around. Both Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Party both look like they split these counties literally down the middle. We're going to go check it out for ourselves, see the mood on the ground, see what the people are feeling, see how they're thinking. And then we'll bring you all the reports live right here on all our networks, Citizen TV, Inoro TV, Ramogi TV. It is back-to-back, wall-to-wall coverage. It's Kenya's Choice 2022. Rashid and Lulu, we have to go. We'll see you later. With us, we're about to take off here with Captain Were. Our first stop will be Shompole in Kajiado County, number 034. That's Captain, about how many minutes? Yeah, Shompole. How many minutes? Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. Good, to take us for 5 minutes, about 45 minutes to Shompole in Kajiado County. That'll be our first stop here on the Sky Team. Check out the mood on the ground. After that, we'll be heading to Loiter Hills in Narok County, number 033. From there, we head to Kilgoris, still in Narok. Again, as I said earlier on, these are battleground states. Literally, the vote for presidential candidates is split down the middle, 50-50. After that, we'll head to a remote part called Sikir, still in Narok County. And then after that, we head back home. It's all about covering this Kenya's Choice 2022, wall to wall, from ground to sky, around the counties. Back to you in the studio. About to take off. Well, first stop. Captain.